How to verify Roblox phone number. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how you can easily verify phone number on your Roblox. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Roblox account and make sure that you have signed in. Now tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner. Then here scroll down and tap on settings. And here tap on account info. Then here you will see add phone. So here tap on add phone. You will select your country and enter your phone number. And enter here the 6-digit code. After entering, tap on verify. And the phone number will get verified. So this is how you can verify phone number on your Roblox account. Thanks for watching.